mean, it's a good one. But many of you, and me, by the way, when I was a student, there was not that many resources. And our school, loved the school. Schools did their best they could, but they said just do questions all day, every day. It's kind of like saying, I want you to go to the hospital right now and go see 50 patients a day. But no one's going to help you. There's no one's going to guide you. There's no attending physician that will help you learn the information. So you know what happens? You, medical student, go to the hospital. You see 50 patients, diagnosis wrong, wrong tests. You're getting the questions wrong. You don't know what to do, and there's no one to help you. AMBOSS has attending tips. AMBOSS has things that underline to show you the key findings. So if you realize that you're getting questions wrong, you, not me, you, whoever's doing these questions, you have to sit and say, why in the world am I getting the question wrong? Now, it's easy for me to say this on a Saturday morning because I know what to do. My students know what to do. Whether you work with me one-on-one or you're on my live sessions in my groups that the doctors work with me, right? The sessions that we have every Tuesday and Thursday morning, or many of you sign up for that 1 hour, and within an hour, you have more of an idea of what to do versus months of trying to find what to do. I mean, typically, it comes down to knowing why you're answering the questions wrong. Many of you, including this doctor, did it twice, UWorld, and still 45, 50%? That's upsetting to me because now you wasted more than 6 months. You're not where you need to be. You can't pass a step. And then most likely the UWorld is going to run out. So now you're like, oh, I gotta renew it again. And then you're just doing the same stupid questions again, maybe increasing your score by 3-4%, and it's not good. So to answer this question, because I know most of you are probably struggling with this, because whether it's UWorld, AMBOSS, Kaplan, Bootcamp, all the QBanks are awesome. I'm not here telling you one is ideally better than the other. I'm giving you ideas of why they're more efficient and why you might get a higher score is because UWorld is just a QBank. AMBOSS has everything to help you learn why you're getting it wrong. So if you're using UWorld, doctor who wrote this question to me yesterday, right? You have to figure out why you're getting these questions wrong. And here it is, ready? Here's the money. Here's the tip of the day. It's either the content, like I didn't know the material. Okay, what do? You got to go back and learn it. Well, in my generation, we had textbooks and we learned. Now everything is on video. Everything is fast. Spoiler alert, something like physio, you can't learn in 2 minutes, right? Biochem is a full semester in med school. You're not going to learn it in 3-4 videos. You could try to, and you could fool yourself, but it's not going to happen. So content, right, which goes back to learning it or trying to find a hack to it, use a mnemonic, and then watch my videos. And then at the end, hey, I'll just memorize it, but be careful. Memory is limited, right? Or you knew the stupid material. You knew the material. You're like, I knew the condition, man. All right, it's cool. Why'd you get it wrong? I read too fast. I misread. I overthought. I was too confident. I second guessed. I had the answer, but then I changed the answer, but I changed it again. That, my friends, are all test taking. So if you want to make it easy for yourself and not waste more time, because money you can make eventually, guys. You're going to make money in residency, money in as an attending. Nowadays, people make money everywhere, right? Social media and other businesses. But you can't get back time. When you, I mean, I'm telling you, because I had the same thing. I wasted valuable time in my medical school career when I used the resources the wrong way. I just followed what everybody else told me. I didn't ask for their results. I just did what the whole mass amount of people were doing. UWorld and first aid and Kaplan. I'm like, I'm expelling so much energy, man. I'm getting these questions wrong.